Lunch ako, baby. Nasa library po kami. Lunch time po ni JL. Ito yung spot namin. Every time na mag-lunch siya dito or mag-snacks. Ito yung favorite niyang laruin. And then, dito kami nag-sightseeing ng mga birds kung may lilipad, tuwang-tuwa naman siya. But for now, walang birds. Yan, kumakain siya. Ng togi. I have quinoa and pompano na fish. Pero ito muna kinain niya para maubos ang gulay. Hey, good job, baby ko. You're eating, anak. Eating ikaw. Eating ikaw lunch. Would you like togi, baby boy? Yummy togi, anak ko. Yummy togi. Ay, ciao.
No, Mom.
Mama. So, ayan guys. Today is Wednesday, March 18, 2026. Mga 1 hour lang kami dito na we'll go home naman para matulog siya. Say bye everyone. God bless you.